Welcome to Market Stocks and Options Genie, your trusted source for institutional-grade stock analysis and option strategies. I'm excited to launch this channel where we'll provide daily market analysis using the same professional screening criteria that hedge funds use. What makes us different? Every stock pick passes through rigorous guardrails. No penny stocks, no pump and dumps, only liquid established companies with solid fundamentals. Here's what you'll learn on this channel. Daily stock picks screen through professional criteria. Market sentiment analysis using multiple indicators. Option strategies with clear entry, target, and stop levels. Technical and fundamental breakdowns, risk management principles, and portfolio allocation guidance. This channel is perfect for beginner traders who want to learn the right way, intermediate traders looking to improve their results, experienced traders seeking quality setups, and anyone tired of pump-and-dump schemes. We publish videos Monday through Friday with daily market analysis. Each video covers market indices performance, sentiment indicators, and 3 to 5 high-quality stock picks with detailed analysis. On weekends, we provide educational deep dives on trading psychology, technical analysis, option strategies, and risk management. Our guardrails ensure quality. Every stock must have a market cap over $1 billion, daily volume over 500,000 shares, price above $5, listed on major exchanges only, and moderate volatility. This systematic approach filters out about 70% of potential picks, but the ones that pass have a much higher probability of success. Quality over quantity, always. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our daily updates. Check out our free newsletter in the description for detailed analysis delivered to your inbox every morning. Join our Discord community where thousands of traders share ideas and help each other succeed. Remember, all content is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. Trading involves substantial risk. Always consult a licensed financial advisor before making investment decisions. Thanks for watching. Let's build a community of disciplined, educated traders together. See you in the next video.